Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to sign up in Bitpay. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.bitpay.com. Once you type it in, you will be redirected to its homepage. So there you can find the three-line option on the right hand side of the corner. You need to click on the sign up option. So once you click on the sign option, you will have to fill in the details like your first name, your last name, your email address and your password. So after filling in your first name and last name, now it's time to fill in your email address along with the password you want to set for your Bitpay account. You have to create a strong password, click on the dialog boxes and click on submit. Once you do so, a link will be messaged on your email address. So simply go back and check your mail for your invite. For now, you need to click on the complete verification and your account of Bitpay will be created instantly. So finally, you will get a message of success. So you need to click on continue. And now you can scroll through and enjoy your Bitpay account. So in this way you can sign up in your Bitpay account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.